Well, hello, Disney Connections and fellow Disney freaks. Stay tuned for a little bit of merch from Disney, the Disney Store, and Bradford Exchange. All right, so we've got multiple things going on here today. We're going to show you some masks that we're going to be wearing in the park.
Possibly wearing.
We've got our monthly subscription that we never know what's coming from Bradford Exchange. Probably my most anticipated package to date for.
Is that this big one?
For 5 months.
From Shop Disney.
Yeah. You know what? I've got to break into this one
Break
first.
into it.
I've got to break into this one. I've been waiting for this package for 5 months. I've probably spent 3 hours on the phone, and unfortunately, it's still not even everything.
It's not. This was from Star Wars Day Fiasco on Shop Disney. It's literally just arrived.
And what's sad about this is
What's sad about it?
I have seen this on people's videos.
They already had it, and we didn't.
And here we are 5 months later after May the 4th, and...
Oh my gosh, this is my favorite paper.
So you know that we have started our Pop Funko collection. If you want to go check out the video, I'll put a card in the top. Mm-hmm. But this is where Pop Funko started. Didn't even know I wanted Pop Funko until I saw this. I gotta show you.
It says bobblehead.
Yes, it's a Pop Funko bobblehead.
Are we going to be in the box or out of the box Pop Funko?
You know, I've been wondering about that.
I tend to want to be out of the box.
My personality and my belief is that they should be out of the box because I think you should be able to display them and enjoy them.
But what if you get into a situation in 21 years where you need to sell them and they're all out of the box?
Right. I don't know. Let us know in the comments
below. Are you in or out of the box?
Let us know. In or out of the box?
What's this big one? Because there's a big one in here.
Here you go. The Mandalorian and
oh my
the kid.
Gosh! Now I don't think I've seen this one out.
But the Mandalorian,
child, not the kid.
The child. The baby Yoda. Yeah, the baby Yoda. But the Mandalorian is coming out October 30th. October 30th.
We'll be on a plane.
Yeah. Comment below if you're rewatching season 1.
I am.
Yeah, we are. We're watching it.
This is cute.
Okay, so I'm super excited about these.
I'm going to show them again because you go so fast.
Okay.
So it's got a little rock stand, like a habitat. What do you call that? A habitat stand? I don't know. They're standing on the rock.
Yeah.
To make them look like they're on the planet.
I love it.
They're super cute. So we're missing the one with him drinking the coffee.
Yes. So we've got the frog. We've got him with the Mandalorian.
One that I really.
This is going to be like a modge podge of different stuff.
Okay, that's funny. Show them.
We found these at Target. These are going to go with.
What are they called?
The Bounty Collection. So let us know if you've seen the Bounty Collection.
You know what's interesting is there's no like name. How do you know? Oh, there's little numbers. So what number is that one?
This one's number 4.
Okay. This is number 2.
This is number 2.
Now this is not a coffee cup. That's a bowl.
Yeah.
So it's interesting because sometimes they call it a bowl and sometimes they call it a coffee mug. This is number 3.
Number 3. So we've got 2, 3.
This is the child using the Force. Oh, look at his eyes.
I know. Look at his eyes.
He's adorbs. This is number 5. How many of these are there? What did we do?
Yeah, right. He's all wrapped up in his blanket.
It's like you can't eat just one chip. You can't buy just one of these.
You know, when I first saw these in Target, I thought, well, I'll just buy one. I made her buy me all of them.
Number 6.
So here's number 6.
I really like that one. That one's cute.
Oh, this is the ball that's on his spaceship.
And this is number 1. The last one. This one is he's also using.
Well, actually, it'd be the first one.
It's the last one.
The first one. And here he is using the force.
Right. They are cute. The good thing about these is that you can see them clearly in the box, so
yes.
maybe we leave them in the box.
I don't know. In the box or out of the box? What do you think?
It's a
Comment
dilemma.
below. Hey, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, smash the like button, hit subscribe, click the bell, and
bring your friends.
Bring your friends. We are we're creeping up on the 500 subscriber.
Yeah. And we're gonna have a Loungefly giveaway when we hit 500, so you don't want to miss that.
All right.
Okay, what are we going to next?
We're gonna go ahead and open up the Bradford exchange because I also know that this is Star Wars.
Yes. It was kind of a Star Wars theme to start off with.
Yes.
But the rest of his stuff from the outlet was not Star Wars.
Well, one thing.
Was it?
My mask. I'll show him my mask.
Oh, yes, we did find a mask.
All right, so here is our Bradford exchange. And I'm gonna get this, I just cut it open, but I'm gonna get it out of the box for you. She knows what this is, what scene this is. So if you followed our other Bradford exchange videos, you know that we're collecting Star Wars...
village scenes?
Oh, the village scenes, yes.
And we have Hoth.
We have the Cantina on Mos Eisley.
And then the Ewok plate thing.
Yes.
What's that called? The hangar? Where they...
On
Indoor. Yeah, Indoor. So,
right.
Here we go.
It's Yoda's planet, Dagobah.
It's Yoda's house.
It's Yoda's house. Dagobah, right?
Yeah.
Yoda's house. It's called Yoda's house.
Yeah, Yoda's house. And it lights up. So when you put batteries in it, you'll see the light coming out of the house and the windows. Isn't that cool?
That is
I love it.
Super
Is Yoda
cool.
in the box?
Well, that's what I'm wondering because they all come with little characters as well. And I'm not sure what.
So you can put batteries or you can plug it in. It comes with a little place to plug it in.
Well, so far we've got a little theme going on in this video.
He's like tiny.
Oh,
it's not...
there we go.
What?
Hold on.
What's...
What? There. Oh. Itty bitty little
Why is
Yoda.
he so small?
Because if you go put him up against the others, check out Instagram because we'll take some pictures. But if you put him up against the Darth Vader that we got and the Luke Skywalker,
he's appropriate size.
He's appropriate size.
That's
I
really
love
fun.
it.
I love this
I
one.
absolutely love it. It looks just brown, but I mean, if you're
There's
a Star
lots
Wars
of
fan,
greens, different greens, and it's hand painted, and
yeah,
it's
I
a
love
nice one. All right, well, this is going on our collection, and then we'll Instagram that up.
Make sure you go over and check out Disney Connections on Instagram, and we will show you all of our collection of the Bradford Exchange with Hoth and Endor and Mos Eisley. So with our new addition, Yoda's house and on Dagobah. All right, so to continue our Star Wars theme, we went to the Disney outlet and we got new masks. Now, we originally got the largest. The largest didn't fit.
They're way too small.
They were way too small. They had no coverage on the face, and they pulled on my ears, which already stick out, and I didn't want that.
You have cute ears.
Thank you. But I did get a new Star Wars mask.
Put it on, model it.
Here we go.
Yeah, it actually fits perfect.
Yeah.
It does pull on your ears.
It does do a good job.
I got a Minnie Mouse one. So this is the one that I had originally as well, in the wrong size. But I think it fits very nice. It covers everything it's supposed to cover. But I feel like it's hard to breathe in there.
They're a little bit thicker.
They're thick.
Yeah.
So I might wear this as one of my masks. Is that yours or mine?
Mine.
Oh, you bought that one?
Oh, did you want one of these?
No, I think if we go up to the store today, I want to get the pumpkin one.
And I got...
Because we're going to be there in...
Oh!
That's bigger.
Oh my goodness.
Why
It's
is that
amazing.
bigger?
It's amazing how they fit different.
This is not even pulling on your ear.
No. This is going to be my mask for the park. I think it's bigger.
It's different material, Rob.
Oh my goodness.
This is stretchy material, and this is not.
You know, unfortunately with masks, you can't try them on. There's no fitting room.
This is a totally different material.
Yeah.
That's
I
like
really
a
love
sports
this.
material.
This is more like our Oregon State ones.
We're gonna have to run up there and see what
you
they've
might
got.
have to get a matching one.
That
I
one,
like
yeah,
it.
that one looks good.
Amazing.
Okay.
All right. Well, since
What else did we get?
Yeah, since we transitioned into our Disney outlet haul, so I couldn't pass this up.
Right?
If you've been on our channel, you know I love The Lion King, and this Rafiki was amazing. So our kids are both teenagers, both out of high school, and every time we go anywhere and they want to get some sort of plush, I'm like, look, you're not a kid anymore.
And he's buying plush for himself. Yep, you heard it right here, folks. You're not a kid anymore, but you're still buying plush.
I had to get Rafiki. So
he's cute. He's gonna be a cute, like he'll sit because his feet hang over.
Yeah.
He'll be cute.
I love it. All right, and then in preparation also for our park.
Oh, and it lights up.
Oh yes, and so I can't wait to turn it on. You won't be able to see it here, but his shield lights up. So
light up hat.
I needed to get a hat to wear in the park that was Disney. That was the point.
Okay.
All right. So what else do we get?
We got some T-shirts, people.
Oh wait, this is a shirt I got here too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you got this at the.
I actually put this on and didn't leave in the bag because I knew we were opening up Star Wars stuff.
Oh,
and
I gotcha.
It's Millennium Falcon. I got another Mickey shirt from the Mouseketeers.
That's cute. I like that one. It matches my mug. And then you got this one. Oh, that's your sleeveless.
Yeah, I love sleeveless shirts. See, it's sleeveless. Yeah.
He would wear sleeveless all the time if we would let him.
Yep. This one was yours.
Oh, it is? No.
No.
That's yours.
Oh, no. I got another Star Wars shirt.
Wait, or is this mine?
No, this one's mine.
It's like a holographic?
Yeah. And
is this mine or yours? You got all these shirts for you?
Did we
That's
get
mine. That's
No,
Minnie.
this one is hers.
That's mine.
This is gonna match my Mickey shirt.
You have this shirt in Mickey.
I have this shirt in Mickey.
Now I'm gonna have it in Minnie. Oh, and then this one is mine.
And then this one is yours. You
I
would
liked this
really
one.
like this shirt.
Yeah, it's cute.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Little Monsters Inc.
Okay.
Awesome.
Yeah. So I'm excited about those shirts. We'll have something to wear in the park.
I think I might have our vinyl Disney Connections on the back, so. Yeah. Be looking for us at the park.
I can vinyl up a vinyl machine and a t-shirt press, so I'm all about the vinyling.
Yeah. Awesome. Well, we got these shirts. If you didn't figure it out already, we're going to Walt Disney World over Halloween. And so we're pretty excited about that. If you want to go, notjustcruising.com.
Come with us.
Come on with us. Let's do it. If you can't make it to the park with us, we have a special opportunity for you, and we will send you a postcard straight from Main Street.
We can do that for you. Venmo us at Disney Connections, $5. We will mail you a postcard, a Disney postcard from the newsstand in Magic Kingdom. You will get a Magic Kingdom postal stamp on there. It's a fun souvenir.
And open up your email. Email us at disneyconnections@gmail and make sure you tell us that you've paid and send us your address.
Just do it.
Okay. Check out all of our giveaways. We've got giveaways for our 400 and we've got a giveaway coming up for our 500 subscribers. So link in the description for that form. Make sure that you share this out with your friends so they can be a part of our drawing as well.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for being here on Disney Connections, where we're going to talk about all things Disney.
Bye.